and work less. In the olden days, we used to work a lot. If we had to buy something from the shop, we had to work. But now everything is online. Now you order everything online and the items come at your doorstep. And in the olden days, if you had to talk to somebody, you had to go to their place and then talk. I know all these. We had to go to their houses and then talk. There was pleasure in it. Now there is phone for it. Not only that, there is cell phone now. Now there are too much facilities. Because of all these, what people do, this sugar is like bank balance. How much you keep in the bank and how much you spend. Now depositing in the bank has become more. That means consumption of food has become more. And now people don't spend at all. That is why people have to become diabetic. This is one reason for type 2 diabetes. The second reason is, very big reason is, we manufacture diabetes. Now we have created a ghost called cholesterol. Now it has been proved that it is not there, but still no problem. But the ghost is still there. We give a thing called medicine for that. Where is mind? It is not in the brain. But we give medicine for the brain. The big side effect when we give medicine for the brain is, they become diabetic. Like this, because of many reasons, we have increased diabetes. Another wrong opinion is, diabetes means sugar disease, but it is not true. Sugar is just a measure. Is fever a disease? You get fever for typhoid also. You get fever for pneumonia also. You get fever for even TB. If you get cold also, you will get fever. Fever is just a measure. Sugar is also a measure. Sugar is not the disease. If you actually think, diabetes is a liver disease. All the body's metabolism becomes upset. Not only sugar, but for the people to measure easily, they measure sugar. If the sugar varies, then it can be concluded that diabetes is there. Even in this, what we have done is, you said no, diabetes has increased these days. Now we are bringing that sugar down. What WHO told initially is, at 140 fasting and 200 post lunch, sugar is more than the sugar, then that man is diabetic. But now we have kept on bringing that down and have arrived at 120, 80. You may ask why we have done like this. Because we need more people taking medicines. This is the third thing. Fourth thing is, we make everyone drink milk. Now it is a business now called White Revolution. It is a big business now. Milk business. This milk is cows, not ours. When we drink that milk, our body rejects it. To reject it, there is an army in our body. These soldiers sometimes will not be knowing what to do. They just do not have the work of rejecting milk. They also destroy some cells in our body. Among that, one is pancreas beta cells. So drinking milk and making people drink more milk is another way of increasing diabetes in people. Yes, it is true that we have been drinking milk from the olden days. You may not have heard this before. Even in that there is difference. But I have not told about that now, because it may turn into a controversy. There are our village cows. Those cows do not have hump on their backs. It's a small cow. What that cows eat? They eat only greens. They eat grass and greens. For such cows, we call type A cows. For these cows, antigens are less. That means those cows are not so antigenic. But now we have made Jersey cows because it produces more milk. what all it eats. For Jersey cows, we call type B cows. Jersey cows have lot of antibodies. You told me you have not heard this before. Do you remember there was a very good prime minister, but everyone used to scold him. Everyone scolds good people. His name was Morarji Desai. He never drank milk. Then what type of milk he used to have? He didn't want milk, but he used to have sweets made out of milk. That too from which milk? Goat's milk. Only goats do not have antigenicity. Only goat's milk do not have antigens. Rest all the cows have antigens. And all the milks have antigens. That is why in the nature, no animal drinks milk of other animal. And because of fear also diabetes comes. When you fear, diabetes will come immediately. Because sugar goes up in your body. When there is fear, adrenal secretion happens. And sugar goes up. That time diabetes has to come, no? By fearing, we invite diabetes.